waxaan nahay wahdiga dugsiye.
Welcome to school of Edith Bay Primary School, the program of distance learning. School هذا برنامج كيني تبين تعاشرها وي تبين تمسافة عشرة وي هي بعض بشو حبي غلطان وبشي أفراد ربكم يغلط قريب فصل كه وفصل كل حال بدو إنجليش ولا فصل كل حال Unit 16. أصاب حق ديوان أطلب اللي يطلنا. ويقول سكول وقال لي بيت كتبني سديتي 87. أطلب اللي يطلنا كمان كيسو حبيبي وفيت ستوريز. وش يقول سامسون تولد. ولما قال حال تولد المحل لنا وتولد اللي راي جلوري. Jewelry is a new village where to go also. Jewelry to the land is a new village where to go also in every future of Utala. It started many years ago. Some of the ago and before and same meaning. It started many years ago. Some of the The district council, district council divided the land into small farms. The district council divided the land into small farms. And gave them what had seen. And again, basically, this way give. Pass through a gift, pass participle through a gift. Where they don't pay the gift, pass through a gift, pass participle through a gift. Offer 1, offer 2, offer 3. Press a pass participle. The district council, divided the land into small farms. And gave them and gave them to the people that come from other villages. The key to know you can easy. Come on, an animal, move it. What are you doing with their families? You go to school doing to Galori, to the Galori, and I was so shy. I could tell last year, what are you doing? In South Africa. What has happened? On half dying on their farms. You can be good, half dying. How do I come out? How do I come to you? Like what has happened? Half dying on their farms. Good, half dying. When you don't come out, come out, family, come on, your boys has worked hard. So I think we should be in a year, some of the government. Okay, there are there is no different article, or is some of the order, and they have already finished it. Markiba, they have already finished it. Markiba has their house, Guruguri, and Markiba and the Maestran. Finish it when the Maestran, and they have already finished it. Markiba and the Maestran. Their house, and they have a toilet. They have back a toilet. So look at the hotel. And I got that thing with a cave. But fam 1, 1 link, fam 2, 1 dog, fam 3 or 1 police. They have that. What happened then? A toilet. So look at the hotel. Toilet mascul and a suit. And they have put water and electricity waxay soo gashadeen biyo laykii biyihiina gurigii ayay gashadeen waayo عشان كده كان بنشوفه السلام عليكم ورحمة الله